Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Want to Step. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Pinterest from your laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to follow someone into your laptop, you just simply have to open any of your web browsers. And into there, just simply open the site of Pinterest.com. And into there, you have to go into the home page or you can use the search tab and find the user that you want to follow. As you can see here, I have this guy called Soilis as a creator of Pinterest. And in order to follow, just simply go to the profile of the person and then click to the follow button. By following this very easy steps, you can easily follow anyone into Pinterest from your laptop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.